Is this kind of what the world sometimes feels like? Let's
Sometimes in
talk.
this world, it can feel like you're swimming with sharks. Later in this video, I'll share what author Harvey Mackay said about how photo reading can put you in the fast lane.
So, photo reading just unlocks a whole new way of being, a completely different way to work with books, material, research. It is truly wow. And it just brings books to life in a magical way. Or there is our option now of AI, which is also amazing, has possibilities. And the question is, will you hand over to AI? Now, there are some inherent dangers with AI.
Breaking news. Stay tuned for the announcement.
I asked ChatGPT and AI if it meant the end for photo reading and traditional research. It said, absolutely not. Because AI can weaken cognitive skills and diminish critical thinking. I agree. Sign up for the online on-demand photo reading certification class with the NeuroSuccess coach Marilyn Devonish and get started as soon as today. If you're in the UK, you can take the live in-person photo reading class. Go to transformationstm.com/photo reading.
And photo reading is like unlocking the joy of reading. It's an absolute breakthrough in the way that you use the mind, the brain, getting things done in record time. It's like having the key to unlocking your genius potential, the magic of books, reading, learning, your productivity, your creativity, and making short and light work of something that used to be really, really difficult. So if you find reading, research, finding the time stressful, perhaps you've got brain fog, issues with your memory, then photo reading is a way to thaw that out and really tap into your genius potential and unlock your creativity in ways you may not have even imagined. It centers around the calm, the flow state, which is a state you can remain in.
Get into the flow state within seconds and learn everything with greater ease, joy, and relaxation, assisted by the photo reading tangerine technique and Huna.
And transformation is what it's always been about for me. So yeah, it's thinking differently, thinking outside the box, because photo reading is the likes of which you've never seen before. So are you going to go with the crowd or walk your own path in your own journey?
Unleash your magical limitless potential. These sessions and on-demand classes are online and global, so you can take part from anywhere in the world. Book your life-changing spot now. If it's not for you but you know someone who could benefit from clearing limiting beliefs and negative emotions, or tapping into and activating their limitless genius potential, or learning how to speak and communicate with more clarity, confidence, and power, pass it on to them. Thank you for sharing the transformation and keeping the magical ripple effect going.
And photo reading really does turn the whole concept of reading and learning on its head. So if you're ready to think outside the proverbial box, time is ticking, particularly if you want to do this in person. It's also
Hocus
available
pocus
online.
focus. Photo read a whole book in 5 minutes. It's like real AI magic for your brain. A world of limitless possibilities awaits you.
Wow! Photo reading is like magic. You can photo read at 25,000 words per minute. Learn instantly online from anywhere in the world as soon as today.
Photo reading is also based on principles from the work of Albert Einstein. And the 5-step photo reading whole mind system expertly guides you in how to tap into your genius potential.
Learn this powerful advanced reading and learning technique using photo reading. Like Neo plugging into the Matrix, you will learn how to photo read at 25,000 words per minute with ease. Improve your critical thinking and decision-making skills and enjoy the feelings of excitement, anticipation, creativity, calm, and joy of reading as you blast through information with ease. Learn in person or online. The next in-person photo reading workshop is approaching. Sign up today.
So the decision and choice is yours.
It doesn't have to be one or the other. It can be a healthy fusion of both.
And I don't think it has to be one or the other. It can be a fusion and a blend of both.
Unlock the magic of books, research, and reading.